This is 5 Chefs, 1 Kitchen. My name is Matthias and I'm going to show you how to make easy cured salmon. We have fresh salmon here. I would recommend the one from Canada or Norway. And we have 1 lemon. Chopping the lemon roughly. Add half a cup sea salt and a 1/4 cup sugar. You run it until it becomes a paste like this. Find a fitting jar for the salmon and add the paste on top. This goes in the fridge for 24 hours, up to 36. 24 hours later, take it out and rinse the stuff off. You can see now it's transparent and more dense. You could eat it like this, but it's very salty. We will process it a little more. So you put it back in the jar and add water to it. And then it goes for 12 hours in the fridge. 12 hours later, you have your easy cured salmon. Dry it a little bit and put it into the container or in a plastic bag. I always add a little olive oil on top to seal the surface. And now the salmon is ready to use. Ideally you have salmon on the skin, but this one is not. It has a mild lemony cured flavor. If you like sushi, you will love this. And it will last in the fridge for 3 to 5 days easily. So for $10 you have a pound of cured salmon and it's fresh. If you buy it in a shop, it's probably a couple of months old. Guten Appetit and enjoy your first homemade cured salmon.